beauties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's Felicia. If you're tuning to watch me for the first time, from the title you already know what's up. I'm going to be sharing products that I picked up from Target. Yeah, so I did not go to Target to do this shopping because if you're new here, I'm currently pregnant and I do most of my shopping online. I sometimes go to the store. Some of these products I got were not available in store, so I just thought to buy the rest of the products online and have them ship it to me to save myself like the stress of going there to shop or whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with the first product here. Let me just do this. Yeah, so this is how much I go for this particular product. The first product here is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Max. I'll just take one out. It looks like this. So yeah, so this, if you're new to my channel, I'm a huge fan of using skincare products. And this, I really love this particular one. I do have some other facial masks that I haven't been using because I'm pregnant, and I thought to try the Neutrogena ones because these products are considered safe for pregnant women. All the products that I'll be featuring here on this channel are all considered safe for pregnant women, but go do your own research because I did my research, and some of this, most I would say of this, most of these products was recommended to me by my derm, so I thought to go get them, and this is one of those. I love this particular product and I have used one. I just thought to show you guys what's up, and yeah, highly recommend this. And the next product I have here is the Blackgirl sunscreen. As you know, we are in the summer time and sunscreen is very important for the skin. I got this. I currently have one that I'm using, but I had to repurchase this because I really love to like take care and protect my skin because now I have hyperpigmentation and dark spots, and to like completely protect myself, I have thought to get sunscreen to give me that maximum protection that I need, and this is one of those sunscreen. There are other good products down there out in the market, but I love this particular one because it doesn't leave like the white cast on my skin, you know. So this is really a good product. Highly recommend this. The next product I have here is a Love Wellness pH Balancing Cleanser. It looks like this. I have not used this product before. I saw it on Target, decided to get it. As you can see, it's still sealed. This product is pricey. I don't recall how much I bought it, but I'm going to leave it somewhere on the screen. This is a very pricey product considering the amount is only 5 fluid ounces. This is so expensive, but a lot of people seem to like this product on the Target website. They did leave like positive reviews, and I thought to buy this to try. Prior to this one, I have been using the Summer Eve Intimate Wash, but I started hearing like some negative reviews about it, and I thought to stop using that, and I got this as well as another intimate body wash that I'm going to share with you on this channel. But this I'm going to use and update you guys what I think about this particular one. If you've used this product, do let me know in the comment section below because I haven't tried it. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I will appreciate that. The next product I have here is the Olay Hyaluronic Acid Cleansing and Nourishing Body Wash. Looks like this. Prior to my pregnancy, I have been using this. Like I did feature this in my product empties video. I'm gonna leave it up here on the screen if you haven't seen that video. I do love, like, yeah, this is one of them that I just finished using, and I love it so much, as well as this one. I just bought this, but I have used it before, and I have multiple of this in my restroom that I have not started using yet, but I have used this in the past. Love it. The scent of this is really mild. It will not strip your skin of its moisture, and it layers well on the skin. Highly recommend this. The next product I bought is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Massage Lotion for Pregnant Mamas. It looks like this. And this is one of the products that I had to purchase online from the Target's website because they do not have the this huge one. They have the regular, this is heavy. They have the regular size of this particular lotion. I have been through, like, since the beginning of this pregnancy, I've been through, I would say, 4 bottles of those, and I just get tired and frustrated going to repurchase the same product over and over again. So I thought to get the huge one so this would last me a long time. I know that I paired this with this oil, which I featured in my products empties video. I don't use this on its own. I always pair this with this particular product, and I did buy it. I'm gonna share with you on this channel. This is really good. I love how it leaves my skin really moisturized. Love this particular product. If you're an expectant mom, I highly recommend this particular product. You would love it. And the next product I have here, which is the empty that I just showed you, is the skin therapy oil, and it looks like this. This claims to reduce stretch marks, appearance of scars on the skin, and it helps with uneven skin tone. I have been a huge fan of this particular oil. Like, I have been using this oil long before I became pregnant, and I love this oil so much. It does not leave your skin too greasy. Like, it's best when you apply this oil and follow up with the body lotion. I just feel like it makes more sense to use the oil with the lotion than using the oil all by itself. So I highly recommend this oil. This is not the first time I have used it. Like I said before, highly recommend it if you're pregnant. Just go get this and use it. You would love it. Even if you're not expecting a baby, this oil is good for everybody. Highly recommend this. The next product that I picked up is the Tummy Butter Stretch Marks by Palmer's. It looks like this. Guys, I really love this product. Love this product so much. I use this product every day. Like, as my bum is growing bigger, beginning to notice like stylish itching on my bump area, and that calls for stretch marks, because when it starts to itch, it means that when you itch it without knowing, you'll be prone to getting stretch marks. So I have been using this at the beginning of my pregnancy. I use it where I know it's needed on my skin. I use it mostly on my tummy area, on my hips, in between my thighs and my legs. I use this every single day. I do not skip a day without using this product, because it's only when you're being consistent with the product you would see effective results. I highly recommend this to every expecting mom. Go get this. I'm just going to try to open this, and the scent is very mild. It's so mild, like it's not overpowering. It's just a tummy butter. It feels very nice on the skin. Next product, the next product you see, I bought a few more of these body washes. I bought 4 of this Olay body washes that is still in the bag down here. I don't want to keep showing you guys the same products, but like I said, I don't like to run low on a product that I love. And one of the products that I got is the Dove Body Love Moisture Boost Body Cleanser. It looks like this. You guys, I have not used this before, so I cannot speak much about this particular product. I saw it on the website and I thought to get one to try. As soon as I'm done with this product, I'm gonna come leave you guys a review, letting you know what I think. But if you notice, all the products that I have here, they all have hyaluronic acid, because that is what my skin needs at the moment. And this product is one of those. I'm gonna use it and let you guys know what I think. I don't know what it smells like. I have no idea. But yeah, all things Dove Olay body washes are my favorite. I love them so much. The next product I have here is the Honey Pot foaming wash. It looks like this. I used this product days ago and today, just to get a feel of what this product looks like, because in my product empties video, if you haven't seen it, I will leave it up here on the screen. I was using a baby soap that left my girls really dry, and I thought to try this because a lot of girls seem to rave about this. This, I would say, is nice. I kind of feel like it leaves down there a teeny bitty dry, but not too dry, but it's okay. Will I repurchase this? Of course I will repurchase it, but I'm in between these two at the moment. I don't know if this, I would like this much better than this one, but I will try it and let you guys know which one I like best. I haven't used this anyway, but this one, I love the fact that it's the pump is nice and it's foam, so yeah, it's very easy to apply down there and it leaves me clean. For now, I would say I like it. I can say I love it, but yeah, I'll let you guys know what I think. The last product I have here is the Dove Moisture Boost Pre-Cleanse Shower Butter. Yeah, it looks like this. I have not used this before. Again, I bought this particular one because of this body cleanser. This is meant to be used before you go in with this one. I would like to experience that one of these days when I'm giving myself this, like, you know, when I want to go extra with my skincare routine. I'd like to try this to let you guys know what I think. I don't know what it smells like. I know that all Dove product smells mild and sweet. I'll let you guys know what I think about this particular product because this is the summer. Plus I'm pregnant. My skin, I don't want my skin to be dry this period. I just want like products that will leave my skin moisturized, hydrated, and yeah, to prevent me from getting more stretch marks in addition to what I already have. So this will bring me to the end of this video. I'm so excited I had to film this video because it's like I've been so dizzy, and you know, going through this pregnancy has been serious work, and I'm so glad that I had to film this video to see you guys again, let you guys know I'm doing okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to let me know if you've tried any of these products. Please let me know down in the comment section below, and let me know the kind of videos you would like to see from now on. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Stay beautiful, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.